Go IGI. It's Friday, April 15th, 2016. Here are today's edits, guys. I did see that you guys made some edits to the category page. There's some minor fixes we have to make with that. So let's go ahead and start. So the first thing I noticed is whenever I hover over shop by category on my laptop, it automatically populates first with electronic and computers. We want to change that, and we want to change it to something like this, guys. So if we go to departments on Amazon, you can see I pull up all the categories, but it's not until I actually hover over a specific category that it then populates with its products. So I'll show you guys one more time. I go to departments, Amazon Video, for example, and then I get, the subcategory that populates. On our website, if I go to shop by category, I automatically enter into electronics and computers. We want to change that, and we want to change it to this, just like that, guys. Have the main category open, and then until I hover over a specific category, nothing shows. So if we can go ahead and change it to that, that'd be awesome. Next is the product page. Let's go ahead and go to a specific product. Okay, guys, so the first thing I want to do is move this Google Plus icon to the right of the Instagram icon. It has to be here, guys, with the same amount of spacing as well. The same amount of spacing that these guys have. I want to move the Google Plus icon to the right of the Instagram icon with the same amount of spacing. Moving right along, here in full specs, in between full specs and customer Q&A, we need a tab that says ratings and reviews in between full specs and customer Q&A. So to give you guys an example, I'll show you the theme. Here's overview, full specs, ratings and reviews. That needs to be there, guys, in between full specs and customer Q&A for our site. Okay. Also, guys, we need to have the stars for the reviews. So if you look at the theme, there's stars here that represent the number of customer reviews for this specific product in this example. And then if I go to ratings and reviews, I have all this stuff here. We don't expect to have all this stuff, obviously, but if we can get some type of review system working to the effect that it shows the number of customer reviews for that specific product, that would be amazing. If we can do that, guys, that would be awesome. So again, we need to have the stars on top of the in this column for the description. So here I should have some type of stars on top of the title, and then if I were to click on it, it should take me to ratings and reviews. It doesn't do it in the theme, but I think that's what they intended for. So first, guys, to go over it, I need a ratings and reviews tab in between full specs and customer Q&A. And I also need a star system for the reviews on top of the title of each single product that there is on the site. So it needs to look something like this, guys. I need to have the reviews up here, and then I need to have the ratings and reviews tab in between full specs and customer Q&A for our website. Okay, so that takes care of the product page. The next thing we want to do is edit the header of the site. You can see the font for shop by category and today's deals does not match the font of sign in and create account. So we need to go ahead and fix that. Sign in and create account need to match the font of shop by category and today's deals. These fonts are not the same. They need to be matching. Okay, so more on the header. So our goal, guys, with the header, I talked to Orlando, and this is what we want to do with the header. The header should basically look exactly like Amazon, except with a few exceptions, guys. So from this point right here up, we want the header to look almost identical to Amazon's header, with a few exceptions. And here are the exceptions. Obviously, we're not going to have a shopping history tab. Okay, we don't need that for now. We're not going to have a sell tab here. We don't need that for now. We don't have a prime tab. We don't need that, at least not right now. This tax central thing, obviously we're not going to have that. And this up here, you can just, what you guys can do is just make a blank space of the same amount of height, because when we launch the site, guys, the top of the header is going to contain all of our promotions for that month, or whatever promotion we're running for that month. The header is going to contain it. Also, we're going to have additional promotions on our site with this space right here. In the example of Amazon, they're using Tax Central. It's a sponsored ad by TurboTax. But on our website, we want to have a little space like that as well. So when we come to the site, we basically want our header to look like Amazon's. We also need to, increase the length of the search bar on our website. So this search bar would essentially be on top of all these things. It'd be on top of all these things, more or less. So you see here, Amazon, they have the search bar, and then they have their logo here to the left. They have the departments tab there, and then they have these links here. So our site would look very similar. Our site, on our end, our logo would be to the left. The search bar would be on top of these tabs here, and our search bar would be the same length as Amazon's as well. And we'd have the shop by category underneath the logo like that. We also want to have a help tab, and we also want to create a gift cards tab. So again, our header needs to look like Amazon's with a few exceptions, and these are the exceptions. We don't need a shopping history. We don't need Amazon, this here, we don't need that. We're not going to have that. We do need today's deals. We need this. We do need gift cards. We do need a sell tab for now. We can go ahead and put that, because we are going to turn the site into a marketplace eventually. And we do need a help tab to the right of the sell tab. So apart from that, we would like to have the ability to also, like I said, have this space up here, have it up here, so we can do our promotions, and also have a space here so we can add stuff on top of the create account and sign in on our website. Also, most importantly, we want the ability to search within a specific department of the website. So for example, if I want to search for a specific book, I would click on books here, and then I would type in, for example, Tony Robbins, and there you go. It pulls up, and I'm in the books category. So we would like something more or less similar to that. So if you guys can get the header to look like this, that would be great. Most importantly, we need the search bar to be increased in length. We need more header space. We need our logo to the left of the search bar. We need our categories tab under it, as well as the links that I mentioned underneath the search bar. So let's go ahead and get working on that, guys. That's it for today, guys. Keep up the good work. I saw the edits that you guys did make. This looks very nice. We still need to extend on it though. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good day, and let's keep up the good work, guys.